Hi everybody, my name is Miss Erin and I am a Kid Smart teaching artist and I teach visual arts, and we're going to be talking about your Art Jam activity that is an illustrated recipe card. So if you like to cook like a lot of us do in New Orleans, you might have followed a recipe before. You can find them on the internet, you can ask your family members who like to cook for a recipe. But what you'll need is that recipe, your recipe card, and some colored pencils. And the first thing that you're going to do is write your name and the name of your dish. So at the top there, I have Miss Erin and Erin's crawfish pasta. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get the exact amounts of each ingredient that you need for this recipe. And you're going to write those things out, but you're also going to illustrate them. So for each ingredient, I've drawn a little drawing of the individual ingredients. So that's crawfish tails, bell pepper, celery, rotini pasta, heavy cream, onion, garlic, and my seasonings. But as you can see, I wrote exact amounts of each thing. So if you need 1 cup of something, you need to put that in there. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture of your completed recipe. So as you see right here, I have my completed crawfish pasta, and I even drew a little guy here because I had some extra space, and it is a little crawfish dude, and he's saying, "I love pasta." So you can get fun with it and add different little drawings in there if you want. The next thing that you'll do is you'll write in your step-by-step directions. So you'll label them 1 and then say the first thing that you need to do all the way down. For instance, mine says, number 1, chop all vegetables. Number 2, saute garlic and onion. Number 3, add the rest of the vegetables, and so on and so forth. You just want to put all of that, all of the step-by-step directions in there. And finally, you can decorate the border. I just put some confetti around it. You can highlight different things with different colored pencils. Have fun with it. Show us your favorite recipe, illustrate it, and make it look like the best recipe you've ever made, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.